How to remove, replace video background in CapCut PC. So if you want to remove or replace the video background in CapCut PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you've opened your CapCut, now go for create project. So once you've opened, now you need to go for import and you need to import the videos. So you need to import 2 videos. I'll be choosing these 2. Go for open and import those videos. Once you've imported, now you need to choose the first video. Select the video. Once you've selected the video, now you need to go for the mask option. Once you've selected the video, now you'll have this kind of video, right? So you need to select the video clip and then you need to go for remove background option under your video. So once you've click on remove background, you need to go for auto remove. And once you click on auto remove, then it will automatically remove the background, right? So here you will have this kind of interface. Now what you need to do is you just need to place this on the upper side and you need to drag this video to the bottom. And once you have this video on the bottom and this video on the upper side, then you can play the video. And that's it. That's how you can remove or replace a video background in CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.